What's going on, YouTube? Got my 1998 Acura Integra GS. There was a B18 in here. As you can see, there isn't anymore. It's a long story on that, but I'm gonna be replacing it with a B20. And I was thinking maybe I should film the process of this a little bit. Maybe someone out there watching. But I got parts almost all ready to go. There's an AC compressor, or was an AC compressor. Not too good at filming videos and talking. I mainly upload like racing videos, but figured I'd give this a try. I'm taking out this mount right now. Look at that. Wow. I had ordered some new ones, so I figured I'd take them out. I'll be getting this one too. And that one. Oh, there's those bolts that I need, because I'm missing them. The ones that go here. Let me show y'all the engine, man. Let me show y'all. 67,000 miles. These are the wrong ones. Ignore them. I have a flex plate on the way, as well as a new rear main seal. As you can see, it's leaking oil, so that'll be taken care of. Once that's on there, it'll be ready to drop in. I have new exhaust headers. Put this on today, but I'll probably take it back off. I was cleaning these parts. That's a new mount, engine mount. I have a new transmission seal coming, this one and this one, if I'm not mistaken. Just waiting for some more parts, and I'm gonna throw it all together. Looking forward to the swap. I miss driving this car, I really do. I'll show y'all the inside real quick. I'm wrapping it white. It's not that bad. There's some spots that are iffy, but it's a lot better than all this. Got parts in here, cold air intake, automatic transmission. Hell yeah, so this will be episode 1, Integra build. I removed the crankshaft pulley yesterday. I removed the timing cover. I installed this here, this mount. What else did I do? That sounds rough. Oh yeah, so episode 1, stay tuned for further content.